Welcome to another Odessa College workshop on college transfer. Don't overlook the importance of finding a support system. Transitioning to a new college or university can be challenging, but having a strong support system can make a significant difference in your success and overall college experience. Let's delve into the key aspects of cultivating an effective support system. Universities often have dedicated transfer services and resources to support transfer students' unique needs. These services can include transfer orientation programs, transfer student organizations, and academic support services tailored to assist with the transfer process. Take advantage of these resources to connect with other transfer students. These programs and services can help you build a sense of community and find individuals who are going through similar experiences. Connecting with fellow transfer students can provide a sense of camaraderie and understanding. So, seek out transfer student organizations, identifying individuals who can offer guidance. Reach out to them, share your aspirations, and express your needs. Having a strong support network can provide the emotional and practical support you may need throughout your college journey. Building a support network takes time and effort, but the benefits are invaluable. Seek out these connections, lean on them when needed, and provide support to others in return. Your support system will be there to guide and encourage you as you embark on this new chapter of your academic life. Join student organizations, and don't just limit yourself to transfer organizations. Academic, cultural, sports, arts, and community service groups are on just about every campus. Explore the various student organizations available at your college or university and find ones that align with your passions to meet like-minded individuals. Consider taking on leadership roles within student organizations or other campus initiatives. Leadership positions provide opportunities to develop valuable skills such as communication, teamwork, problem-solving, and time management. By leading a team or organizing events, you not only enhance your own skills but also contribute to the campus community. Leadership roles also look impressive on resumes and can open doors to future opportunities. Engage in community service and volunteer opportunities. Many universities have volunteer programs or service learning initiatives that allow students to get involved in meaningful projects. By dedicating your time and skills to a cause you care about, you develop ties to your new community. Empathy and awareness can provide valuable insight and experiences that can impact your life for decades to come. Attend campus events. Universities host a variety of events such as guest speakers, performances, sporting events, and even workshops. Get out there and support these activities because in doing so, you are supporting your fellow classmates. These students are taking up the weight of representing the school and its commitment to excellence, so show them that you appreciate their hard work. Campus involvement is not only about participating in activities, but also about building meaningful relationships. These connections can lead to friendships, mentorship, and future collaborations. Embrace the opportunities available on campus, step out of your comfort zone, and actively engage in activities that align with your interests and goals. Familiarize yourself with the resources available on campus: counseling services, health centers, academic advising, career services, and student organizations. Understanding where to go for support and guidance will ease your transition and ensure that you have access to the necessary assistance whenever needed. Make it a priority to explore campus resources and keep their contact information readily available. Effective time management is crucial when adjusting to a new academic and social environment. Balancing coursework, extracurricular activities, part-time jobs, and personal commitments can be overwhelming. Develop time management skills by creating a firm schedule. Find a study routine that works best for you and budget in some time for self-care and relaxation. Take advantage of academic support resources such as tutoring services, study groups, and academic workshops. Remember to seek help and clarification from professors or teaching assistants when needed. College campuses are diverse and inclusive spaces that provide opportunities to engage with individuals from various backgrounds and cultures. Embrace the diversity and use this opportunity to learn about different cultures. Anthony Bourdain said that food is the best mechanism to share one's culture, and it is my favorite place to start when I am trying to learn about the world. After all, it's one of the things that unites us. We all gotta eat. It's normal to feel a bit nervous or out of place initially, but remember that many students are also looking to make new connections. Take initiative. Be friendly. Adjusting takes time, so be patient and kind to yourself during this transition. Seek support when needed, embrace new experiences, and make the most of the opportunities available in your new environment. If you want more information on workshops, let us know at lrc@odessa.edu. Thanks for watching.